I've been asked by so many people to share my morning ritual. So this is kind of my setup here. I got my jacuzzi on one side. I really haven't been using the jacuzzi much. And then I've got this Japanese style hot tub. So this is a hot soak, and then this is the cold plunge. So the hot soak is at 114 degrees, so it's very hot. And the cold plunge is reading 40 degrees, so it's pretty cold. So I'm gonna do this in a couple of parts. This is part one. The plan is I'm gonna be, and this is not advisable, okay? So anytime you do breath work, you definitely don't wanna do it in the water. There's been a lot of people that have had accidents with drowning when you do breath work. So I've been doing breath work for many years, so this part you probably would wanna leave out. But what I would recommend is if you did set up this hot and cold plunge situation, that you do your breathing after you get out of the cold plunge. And so you'd fit it in here, but this is how I do it. So I incorporate a couple of different technologies. One is hot plunge and cold plunge. Second is I'm using something called Zen nasal spray. So it's a vagal activator. So it's a strong activator to the parasympathetic nervous system. All right, so now we're in the backyard here. Always nice to have a lot of plants around you. So this is the sauna. It's called a jacuzzi sauna, and it's a 4-man or 5-man, and you can actually take this bench out and stretch if you wanted. So it's a great sauna. And then if you come out here, we got the biocharger going. So check this out. So this is called a biocharger, and basically it sends this energy, and I sit here. I can see it's affecting the phone a little bit, so you can see it kind of shaking. But you basically sit next to it, and it sends all this frequencies and these energies, and there's different settings on that. And it makes a lot of noise, but you can actually feel some benefit from it. Right now it's running a alpha brainwave, which kind of calms you down. And then if you go in here, this is my standing desk, and this is a red light panel. So this is a 6-panel setup, and it's on a cart. You can see that there's a cart here. And then I set this one up so it goes kind of in front of you. And so it's hitting the front of me, and so I can be on the computer and I can get both the front and the back. And red light kind of works on your mitochondria. And so I'll turn this on, and you can see how bright it gets. And so this is kind of how it looks, the setup. You kind of set it, you're standing in front of it. I have swim shorts on, by the way, just in case you were wondering. But anyway, thanks for joining me, and Chantel, appreciate you inviting me on your podcast. And anyway, anybody interested in more of these kind of biohacks and home setups, you can find me on ultimatecellularreset.com. Thanks.